Okay guys, what we got here is what we call a hunter special. This one ain't pretty. It is dry. Keeps most of the weather out. It's a cab high fiberglass Leer Crown model. Fits the 88 to 98 Chevy short bed truck. A lot of paint scratches, a lot of paint flake, and a lot of clear coat missing. The top was pretty much all clear coat peel. A lot of scratches down the side. Scratches here, a lot of chips in the fiberglass on the front edge. Scratches down there. All scratched down through the side here. Bottom edge. A lot of scratches and paint missing on there. Has the half side sliders on the side. Front has sliding window in the window in the front. You can see the chips in the fiberglass there. A couple scratches there. The side we just looked at was probably the worst side, but does have a little bit of paint damage there. Front's not really too bad actually. Some scratches right there. Sliding window in the front so you can access the bed through the cab. So you can check on your deer that you got. Some scratches on this side. Couple more there. Some more paint chips down here at the bottom, scratches. Like I said, this side's not near as bad as the other side was. Some paint flake there. Scratch there, but half side sliders on this side as well. Does have the double T-handle locking rear door. Screens aren't in bad shape at all. Small little hole right there. Barely a little tiny hole. Really not bad shape at all on the screens. So the front window slides in the front. You've seen that already. This side, the screen looks really good as well. There it is, cab high fiberglass Leer Crown model. Fits the 88-98 Chevy short bed. It's what we call a hunter special because it's just rough. It's going to keep the weather out. It's going to put your gear in there, haul your deer back out of the woods. That's basically what it's for. It'll keep your gear out of the weather. It's not real pretty. It's a short bed truck. It'll fit, if you're not real picky on how it fits, it'll fit most 6.5 foot bed trucks. Below is a link to this unit on our website so you can see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up, whatever you want to do with that. Also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, T-handles, ladder racks, bed storage solutions, deck units, that's all can be purchased online as well through there. As with all our units, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to get them picked up at one of our store locations. Thanks for watching.